This GENIMO Outdoor Waterproof Rug in the 6 by 9 foot size feels sturdy yet comfortable underfoot with a reversible geometric design that lets you flip it for a fresh look and longer life. The polypropylene material is free of harsh chemicals, gentle on skin, and safe for children and pets, while also being kind to grass and wooden decks. Its weather-resistant build, including a protective coating and non-slip backing that lets rain drain through, holds up well in hot sun, wind, and wet conditions when used in appropriate shaded areas. Cleaning is very low effort because spills, dirt, and leaves wipe off quickly, and the rug dries fast without needing long periods spread out. It rolls or folds down neatly into the included carry bag, and the 4 metal stakes do a good job of keeping it anchored at campsites, on patios, or beside an RV. With a neutral brown and white pattern and multiple size options, it works nicely across patios, balconies, decks, and picnic setups, without clashing with existing decor.